Hey, alright, welcome to MyMathYourMath. Today we're going to talk about how to find the equation of a line given 2 points. Alright, so find the equation of the line passing through 2, 1 and -1, -5. We're not going to graph it today, we're just going to find the equation of the line that goes through them. So it's really 2 big steps, well 3 big steps. Step 1 is to find the slope. The slope is a fraction, right? It's given as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and you don't really know what y2, y1, x1, x2, and all that stuff is, but you got 2 points. Usually when you got a point, the first coordinate, the first one is an x guy, the second one's always going to be the y guy. So we can go ahead and give these guys names. Let's call this one my x1, let's call this one my y1, let's call this one my x2. Plus my y2, and then we just plug in, right? Alright, so the slope becomes y2, which is -5, minus 1, x2, which is -1, minus x1, which is 2, okay? And this is going to be, the top is going to be -5 minus 1, -6. The bottom is -1 minus 2, -3, and we get a slope of 2. Okay? So m equals 2. Okay. I'm going to box that. Not important. Now we want to find the y-intercept. So find the b, right? So find b or aka y-intercept. Y-intercept. Okay? Now we have 2 points, 2 xy points, and you have a slope. And we know that the standard equation of a line is y equals mx+b, everyone's favorite. Right? So you have a y, you have an x, you have an m, you can find b. At this point, when you have 2 points, since both those points are on the line, you can kind of pick any point you want. So I'm going to opt for the non-negative one. Okay? So watch this here. It's plugged in for x. The 1 gets plugged in for y. It's plugged in for m. Alright? So instead of y, I'm using 1 equals, instead of m, I'm using 2. Instead of x, I'm using 2 plus b. Right? So what is that? 1 minus 4. B is -3, m is 2. The last step. Write the equation. It's like the easiest step. It's really not that bad. So, right, this is the standard form, except for when you write your final answer of the line, the y and the x stay y and x. Remember that. Y and x stay y and x. M and b, you want numbers. You just found m and b. Done. Is the equation of the line passing through 2, 1 and -1, -5.